Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to charge your D28 smartwatch. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is Josh here, and for today I will be showing you on how to charge your D28 smartwatch. So first is we are going to find the circular icon, which is here, and all you have to do is you're going to remove the strap opposite to this circle here. And as you can see there are two pins here, so it means this is the part that we are going to charge, because on the other side there is no pins here, so it means it's not gonna charge at all. So you have to really check on the pins, guys. Alright, and when you're going to charge your smartwatch, you need to make sure that it is fit perfectly. Alright, so as you can see here in our power bank, so the other side, or it's in the downside or it's in the lower part. Okay, now what we need to do is we're going to attach the pins and this USB port here, so you need to fit it perfectly, guys, that they are facing toward each other. Okay, so yes, let me just try to take our how do I say, our ring light. So without the ring light, guys, so again, I know it's dark, so let's just bear with me for a while. So it has to be facing towards each other like that, and tadan, so it will have a green icon there and it's charging, because if you are not careful, then you might charge it in the wrong way and it's not really gonna charge at all. Yes, so, and if you also, of course, if you're going to charge it to the other side of the smartwatch with no pins, then no matter how you try, it will not really charge, guys. So let's put back our ring light. Yes, let's just turn it on, and so then, guys, and I can still get some questions like why it's not charging. So there are ways, guys, on how you can charge your smartwatch as well. So first is you need to make sure that the adapter that you are using will be compatible with your smartwatch, because I used before, it's a fast charger adapter, but it didn't work, and I was just using the normal power adapter and it worked. Yes, okay, guys, and you have to leave it for like 1 hour or 2 hours for it to be fully charged. Then after that one, you can use it. Alright, guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. If you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this has been Josh, and I will see you soon.